guys, so sorry for the really bad lighting, but I just got a nice squishy package and I'm super excited. Might not show it, but like show it on my facial expressions. But let's just open the package. Not look at anything. Right, so here's just the package. Let me just cut it off camera. Hopefully this is, yep. Okay, so here's what it came in. Whoa. Okay, so it just came with all these. Okay, so the first thing is this croissant, and it's not that squishy, but yeah. And I got this off Amazon. Then I got this loaf of bread with chocolate drizzle and some sprinkles. So it's not that squishy either. So it did say none of them were that squishy, but that's okay. Okay, next is this Gudetama bun. And this is my fourth ever squishy package. So, then I have this dog bun thing. Sorry, this dog. Oh, my lighting. This dog onsen bun. Oh, upside. Pretty squishy. And here's just the back. Just plain blue. Then I have this Hello Kitty bun, blush bun thing. Then I have this Gudetama bun thing. So you can't really see it that well. This donut. I might draw a face on this because I don't have a face. This plain piece of toast, which I thought would come with a face, but it didn't, but that's okay. Sorry, my battery's running low, so yeah. And it was no shipping, and it was really good because it only took 10 days, and it's from China. This bun with a face, I don't know what it's called. Is this a rice cake thing? It's okay, this is a rice cake or a sushi or something, I don't know. Then I have this yellow panda macaroon. Then I have this cat thing. Then I have this Gudetama rice cake thing, I don't know. And it just came in this see-through plastic bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13. So that is all of them. I think I might have got scammed because I only got 13 and I ordered 15. I think I just got scammed. And I never even ordered any of these. So don't buy from these people. I can't remember what their thingy is called. But don't buy from them. I'll try and like do a video and like put their picture here. So yeah, I just got scammed. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Bye.